In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move files from one Google Drive account to another. Fix today. Here, let's begin. Have you ever wanted to move files from an old Google Drive account to a new one? Maybe you're switching email addresses, organizing personal and work files, or migrating to a different account altogether. While Google Drive doesn't offer a direct merge accounts option, there are several easy ways to transfer your files. Let's start with the first method, the share and copy method. This method is entirely cloud-based and doesn't require downloading anything to your computer. First, log in to your source or old Google Drive account. Open Google Drive and select the files or folders you want to move. Right-click the selected items, hover over Share, then click Share again. Enter your new Google account email address. Make sure the permission level is set to Editor, then click Send. Next, log into your new or destination Google Drive account. Click Shared with Me in the left sidebar. Locate the files that were shared from your old account. For individual files, select them, right-click, and choose Make a Copy. Google Drive will create new copies that belong entirely to your new account. You can then move those copies into My Drive for easier organization. If you're working with folders, open the shared folder, select all files inside, then choose Make a Copy. The copied files will automatically appear in your My Drive, usually with copy of added to the file name. Now let's look at the second method, transfer ownership. This is best for individual files when you want to transfer ownership without creating duplicates. From your old account, share the file with your new account as an editor. Open the Share menu again, click the drop-down next to your new email address, and select Transfer Ownership. Click Send Invitation, then log into your new Google account and accept the ownership request from your Gmail inbox. Keep in mind that Google Workspace school or work accounts often restrict ownership transfers outside the organization. If that's the case, use Method 1 or Method 3 instead. Now let's look at the third method, Google Drive for Desktop. This is the best option if you're transferring a large number of files or folders. First, click the Google Drive icon in your system tray on Windows or menu bar on Mac. Click your profile picture and select Add another account. Sign in to your second Google account and authorize Google Drive for Desktop. Once both accounts are connected, open File Explorer on Windows or Finder on Mac. Locate both Google Drive accounts. You'll see separate Google Drive locations labeled with each account. Open each account in its own window. Place the windows side by side. Open your source account in one window and your destination account in the other. Select the files or folders you want to move. Then simply drag and drop them into the destination account window. Google Drive will automatically upload the files to the second account in the background. Wait for the sync process to complete before closing your computer or disconnecting from the internet. That's how you move files from one Google Drive account to another using 3 simple methods. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.